Stop asking for a low taper fade. Now, I know a lot of you still want this haircut, the fluffy hair, the broccoli haircut. The thing is these low taper fades, drop fades, whatever kind of fades, the TikTok fade, they're not being matched up properly to the individual. And I want to explain this to you, because if you look at this haircut, there's literally no skin fades, there's no drop fades, right? It's actually scissor cut. And to me, this looks a lot softer and a lot cleaner compared to getting certain types of hairstyles and haircuts that I see all over social media, specifically TikTok, right? I've been doing this haircut for so long, I actually helped make this haircut go viral. I've been on the news talking about doing this. Mannequin is more famous than you can imagine. This Mannequin has been on the news, been seen hundreds of millions of times, this particular haircut, right? Look at my TikTok page, 43 million views, 20-something million views, millions and millions and millions of views from this Mannequin right here. And when I first started doing this haircut, seeing it on other TikTokers, I've actually gone to LA to cut hair on TikTokers, I was never going like super short skin fades. Like, I know that looks okay, and maybe, you know, it's suitable for certain people, but in my opinion, I think a lot of hair professionals, specifically barbers, are giving people fades and low taper fades that really shouldn't be wearing that, because it creates its own type of look. I've seen grown men in their 40s go into a barber shop that, or you know, and then someone's posting on social media, well, they'll take a guy who looks like a scientist from NASA and turn him into like this like wannabe gangster TikTok type of look, where it's like a low fade here, there's all sorts of hair here, low, it's all flared out like this. Like, that's not suitable to the person. And what's going to happen is their hair is going to look ridiculous in a week. Like, it's just not ideal. So stop going in asking for low taper fades and asking for all these types of haircuts because you see it on social media. Now, if you want that haircut, go for it, because there's a lot of 13-year-olds and 17-year-olds who want that type of haircut. Then amazing. If you feel good with wearing that, then I'm all for it. If you want to get a mohawk, then get it. But what I'm saying, it's not really the haircut that's bad. It's just not being put on the right people, okay? Like, in my personal opinion, when I see these, I'm someone who's worked on thousands of clients throughout my career, over 30 years, dealing with high-level executives, people, you know, people more middle-aged that shouldn't be getting those types of haircuts. And, you know, I think that if you just go in saying, I want a low taper fade, or I want a fade, because you're seeing it somewhere else, it may not look good on you. And it does change the appearance of how you look. Especially recently, I've been seeing a couple of barbers. Now, for as skilled as they are, I'm seeing barbers transform people, even if they're kind of young, even like if they're like 16, 17, looking like a GameStop employee or a manager, or someone who's got a more conservative, normal-looking haircut, turning them into like a wannabe like thug gangster, like, because of the haircuts. And I'm like, how does that even match up? Now, if that's that person's persona, it matches perfectly. But if you're somebody who wants a certain look just because you see it on social media, it may not be the right look for you. So just remember that every time you get a haircut, the end result transforms who you are as a person. It changes like how your mindset. It changes how you present yourself. You may go from being this like well-spoken, you know, yes, sir, how can I help you today, to, damn, bro, yo, that is cooked, bro. Yo, your shit's cooked, dog. Yo, your shit's cooked, bro. Bro, I mean, like, a haircut can literally turn you into like having 3 brain cells. So you have to make sure that it's the right haircut for you. So just stop going in and just saying the words, I want a low taper fade. The barber or the hair professional, he or she, they're going to just do that because that's what you want. And in the end, it looks cool, it looks flashy for social media because the hair is flaring out like this, and oh wow, look, my hair's flaring out, that looks super cool. But like, that's not really the right look for you. And that's where, going into a place. Now this is, again, if you're somebody who wants that look, fine. If you're somebody who you love to see that, perfect, do you. But if you're someone who's unsure, and this is what I see, a lot of people going into somebody for the first time, they don't know what they want, and they start just using names of haircuts, low taper fade, drop fade, mid taper fade, Brooklyn, whatever the heck it is, just because they hear it, and then they get that haircut done on them, and it completely is not the right look for them. I've seen it. It's a disaster. For as good as the haircut may look, it's not the right haircut for them. So I don't want to be redundant because I'm starting to go on and on and on, but stop asking for haircuts just because you see it and you think it's the right haircut for you, right? Especially if you're a first-time customer going into a barbershop or a hair salon, whatever. Make sure that you ask them, is this going to look good on me? Now, if this is all they do all day long, that's all they're going to do, right? But ask them, do I have options? Like, how's this going to grow out? Do you think this will look good on me? Like, I'm not that type of style. Like, I'm not a 14-year-old. I'm like a 45-year-old high-level executive. Do I need a low taper fade with fluffy hair on top? Maybe not, okay? So, let me know in the comments below, like, who are you as a person? Have you had this happen to you where you go into a barber shop and they give you a haircut that you're like, yeah, man, like, I'm not trying to look like some, like, gangster. Like, I'm not trying to look like some, 14-year-old TikToker with, like, this type of haircut. Like, let me know if you've gone in and actually had the hair professional create a look in your hair that you just didn't really want. And you were in the situation where you just said, oh, give me a low taper fade. And you went home and going, oh my God, what did I do? Like, again, the haircut, all these guys are good. They're talented, but it's not the right haircut for them. So let me know if this has happened to you, if you understand where I'm coming from. And I think, it's really important that you understand this. So thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you soon.